With the fitness industry skyrocketing to a whole new elevated level these days, you might have heard about the beverage that has become an inseparable part of a fitness freak's diet. Yes, you are right, I'm talking about green tea. Well, green tea has garnered all the attention for its long list of health benefits. But with the growing popularity of the beverage, there are certain myths related to green tea which you should be aware of. Well, before starting the video, I'd like you guys to give this a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Myth number 1. Green tea is the ultimate fat burner. It sounds too good to be true. That only a beverage can help you lose those stubborn layers of fat. If losing weight is your goal, then you should take care of other important factors such as daily workout routine and calorie intake. Together, all these will contribute to a stronger metabolic rate that would help you to lose fat. Remember, consistency is the key. Myth number 2. Green tea can make you look 10 years younger. Another common myth that is very popular regarding the benefits of green tea is its anti-aging rumor. Unfortunately, there are no scientific data to back this claim, hence it is null and void. Myth number 3. Consuming green tea on an empty stomach is beneficial. Tea in any form can increase the acid reflux in your stomach. Because green tea has caffeine and tannin which can cause stomach distress, especially in those who have digestive problems. So, consuming green tea after breakfast is the more liable option. Myth number 4. Green tea has no side effects. Since green tea is considered the healthiest beverage, it's often misunderstood that it has absolutely zero side effects. Hence, consuming it in gallons will not have any disadvantage. But that's not the case at all. Our body has a certain limit of absorbing nutrients and minerals. Feeding it extra won't benefit you in any way. Consuming green tea in larger amounts will disrupt your sleep schedule, as it has caffeine. A disrupted sleep schedule will in return hamper your resting metabolism, which is the most important factor for your weight loss. Well, these are the most common myths related to green tea and its consumption. I hope this helped and please subscribe to the channel. We are very close to 1K and I really need your support on this. Well, that is it for today. Stay active, stay healthy and stay fit. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.